Hey. Today we are headed down to, again, XL London for the World Travel Market 2019. I am so excited. I go to this every year for the last 4 years, in fact. I haven't missed one. Loads of goodies, loads of travel information, new places to add onto your bucket list. This is the shizness. So I'm on my way to meet my friend. Everyone's looking at me, recording myself. I don't even have my selfie stick out. But yeah, we're gonna do this. And yeah, World Travel Market 2019. Let's go see what this is about today. Alrighty. Are you recording? Yes, you are. So we are at the World Travel Market 2019. We're currently in Asia. We're at the amazing Thailand. Oh, this Thai coffee. Play, girl. I remember I tried this once, it was just a blob. I ended up with a blob.
They never want to wait, I think. Yeah, I know.
So it comes from this plant. It's a wild fern plant that grows in the mountains of the southern part of the Philippines.
Right. Yeah.
So what we do is we strip it down.
Yeah.
So whatever we strip down, this is what she's making. Right. So what we do is I design.
And she's pleating it.
Yeah, she's weaving it. Everything is handcrafted. So she's one of my senior weavers. So she can only make, being senior, she can make 4 to 5 pieces in an 8-hour shift.
Wow.
And then a junior weaver can only make 3 pieces, since everything is handcrafted. So what I do is I incorporate it with different components to make it more mainstream.
I love this.
I love this one. So I marry it with fabric. These are glass beads, pearls. Like what I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing something that has fabrics in it.
Yeah, this is nice.
Right?
It's
Or something on the
beautiful.
wall. You have something like that as well.
What you wearing in the turquoise one is my favorites. Oh, and the gold one.
Philippine weaving. my god, like,
Over there.
look at the size of these dates.
One here.
No, not that one. It's just over there. Here's a man. He's here to chill there.
Moroccan dates.
Come over now. I love you so much. You know what I mean?
I love it. So we in Egypt right now. Wave your hands. Oh look, we in the souks now. Da 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 da.
Well, this is not how it works, you know?
That's how it works.
Okay, so we are in Ghana and Kenya, apparently. So I don't know. Oh, I see a cheetah. We haven't been to Senegal. We're going to Senegal now. But they got food cooking up in there. And we have to go back to Morocco at 2 o'clock. Zimbabwe. Right, so we're heading over to Senegal. It's really pretty, man. Lulu's found some goodies. I don't really know where we are right now. Oh, we're at the natural Charger.